It is time for an upgrade. My current trainers have seen their last day, really. These are my current trainers. The tread is just, there is no tread. As you can see, completely gone, but they have served me well, but it's time to upgrade. And if you're curious to know what I've upgraded to, just keep watching, guys. Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I'm Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and today I am doing yet another unboxing. As a matter of fact, the shoes that I showed you previously, the Coach shoes, I ordered them like a day after I ordered these, and so they came in like within a day or two of each other, but I wanted to do the unboxing separately. So I am going to unbox these Pumas. These are the Puma Muse Metallic shoes, and so we're just going to jump right into this unboxing. I am so excited because, guys, as I showed you in the pre-clip, my current trainers, they have served me well. They're probably about 5 years old, and as you know, if you are really an avid person that works out, you should change your trainers frequently. I don't really know the statistics on that, but I would say when the tread is gone, it's time to get you a new pair of shoes. So these are long overdue, but I must say these current ones that I have, these are Avia, and I got these at Walmart, like I said, maybe 5 years ago, maybe 4 years ago, I'm not sure, but it's been a while. But I bought them because they kind of reminded me of the Nike shoe, just a really lightweight shoe, meshing, and I mean just truly lightweight. And then you have this substantial rubber sole with, you know, a removable insert, which I really liked, and they were in the classic black, and so they went with all of my workout gear. But I have not changed them in that length of time, and so it's long overdue. But I'll keep these as my knockabout shoes, just like if I need to do some work in the yard or whatever, I'm gonna hang on to them. But I only paid like maybe $12 at Walmart for these, and they were a good brand. So I am not a shoe snob in the least. If it is comfortable and it's in my budget, I'm gonna wear it. But it's nice when you can treat yourself, and one thing I do treat myself on are shoes. And so I've had my eye on this shoe since April. Back in spring, when I was on spring break, I happened to be at the mall with my son, and we were kind of just looking around, and I saw this shoe, and I was like, oh my goodness, that is a gorgeous shoe. So this is the Puma Muse Metal women's shoe in black. And so let's just open it right up. This shoe was $86.40. So definite upgrade from the Walmart shoe. Oh, these shoes are gorgeous, just gorgeous. Makes you want to talk in a whole new language, like darling. Look at this shoe, darling. But check out this sleek. Isn't this just absolutely gorgeous with this rose gold on the back, and look at that crisscross over the toe bed, just beautiful. And then I love that the sole is in black. You've got this nice pull-on strap to pull up on your heel, nice cushion. Oh, it just pulls on. It's like this pull-on type shoe, and then you have this little bit of a lace there. Oh, look, I mean, absolutely stunning. Okay, nice shoe. Ain't hating on you, but this is an upgrade. Upgrade, ya. Really? But anyway, enough. I love this shoe. Now, the telltale is going to be the comfort level of this shoe. That's going to be the telltale sign, comfort level. I can't wait to walk in this shoe and work out in this shoe and just do what I gotta do in this shoe. So here is the shoe, both pairs, the back, the front, and the underside. I love it, guys, and I will leave a link in the description box below. I got mine directly from Puma, and I just love this shoe. I'm going to show you some close-ups, and then of course I'm going to model them on my foot for you so you can see what they look like on. And just stay tuned, keep watching. I will be right back. The Muse Metal women's sneaker is really an eye-catching sneaker. I love it because it is running inspired. It's lightweight in design, and the bow metallic detailing on the back is really what caught me on this one. I like the textile slip-on upper. It makes it easy for when you're on the go. It also has a lace closure and elastic strap for a snug fit. And like I said, I love the metallic diamond-shaped TPU piece on the back. It has an Amiva midsole, a rubber outsole, and I really like the added detail of the embroidered Puma at the heel of it, and also the Puma cat logo on the tongue. So this is a shoe that is so comfortable and will definitely be a statement piece in my workout wardrobe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my channel. Thank you for tuning in for this review and unboxing of the Puma Muse Metal athletic trainer. I love the shoe. It's comfortable. As a matter of fact, when I was pulling it on, it was easy to pull on, very stretchy, has a lot of give, extremely comfortable. So I highly recommend this trainer. If you've been thinking about purchasing it, I would say go ahead and do so. It's worth the extra penny, and I'm so glad I upgraded. And by the way, I did research on when you should maybe change out your trainers. Every 300 to 500 miles if you're like a serious marathon runner. But if you're someone like me, just go by how this shoe feels. If you're beginning to have any aches and pains in your foot, then it's probably time to change out. Or like me, if you notice that your tread is completely worn, it's probably time to exchange your trainers out for a new pair. But I love them. Give me a comment below if you own these particular pair and what your thoughts are on them, and what is your trainer of choice. I'd love to know. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye.